Hello friends, this is Kalpana Shambhavi Boutique. It's been a long break now. Only after Diwali I'm back with a video again. I have a lot of new collections. I thought I will send you pictures of some latest ones now and the rest in the next video. The shop is located in Kodambakam in Aziz Nagar, 2nd Street. The landmark is Rajinikanth's Kalyana Mandapam, Raghavendra Kalyana Mandapam. So the shop is open and we still follow the COVID rules and regulations. So please visit us, or you can even contact us on WhatsApp 9841380360. Again, I repeat 9841380360. So here we go for the new collections. This is actually a latest one in the silk cotton collections, not very expensive also, but it gives a very grand look, as well as it has a beautiful blouse which you don't have to run around anywhere to get a work done or anything like that. This even caters to wear it for a small function or even a wedding, I would say, because the sari looks very grand, and I'm happy to say that you can avail a discount of 5 to 10% for on every purchase. And if you click the picture and let me know immediately, you can avail a 10% discount. Okay, so here we go. I will start with the first sari. This is actually this is the silk cotton. This has got a jacquard weave, and it has got a pallu. Yeah, this is the pallu, and the blouse comes, as I told you, it is very, very beautiful. The blouse is also, it's like this. The other way, yeah, this comes like this. So this is a very, very beautiful combination. It's a light peach with a rust one, with the rust, and the pallu is this, and the blouse, you can see this here. Please, if you like anything, please let us know the screenshot so that you get a discount on this. The next one we go is another pink shade. This has got, even this is a jacquard silk cotton. This has got a lovely border, you can see, and this is the pallu for this. And wow, what a beautiful blouse. The blouse goes like this. So actually I told you we don't have to go for any work, just a small piping will do, and we do undertake stitching also. So if you take the sari here, we do the stitching also. So this is sari number 2. Next one we have is another, it's another one. It's a black and pink. Isn't it beautiful? So it has got, it's more like a Kanchivaram silk sari, where it has got the Annapakshi as zari motifs, and you see don't miss the blouse for this. This is the blouse. See how beautiful it looks. So if you take a screenshot and tell me, and if you like this, please WhatsApp on 9841380360. Sari number 3. The next one is totally a different combination. This is actually a light gray with black, and it has got a beautiful blouse. If you can see the blouse also here. And the zari which comes in this is not too bling also. It's just, very, very nice for a nice function, or a nice for a nice occasion. Isn't this beautiful? The next one, it used to be a very popular combination, pink, orange with pink. And even in the silk cotton, we have this orange with pink. And see the pallu here, and it has got a contrast blouse for this sari. So this is the blouse. This is one of the very popular combination in Kanchivaram silk. So these are all jacquard soft silk, and the next sari is another killer, I would say. See, this is grey with yellow. So beautiful. Those who are tired with the reds and the greens, they can really go for this color. And the blouse is also, we can have another blouse also made for this. The grey and yellow combination comes as a blouse. So it gives a very subtle look, as well as it looks a little elegant also, and a classy sari, I would say. The next one, what we have is another pink family. It's a bright pink with a blue border. This has got a small border, the top, and this is the border, the second border, the border which is there. And then this has got a beautiful blouse. This is the blouse for this. Totally contrast. So as I told you, don't have to do any work on these blouses, because it comes just with grand finish to complement the sari, and you can just have a piping done for this. Save money on this. Wow, this is one of my favorites. And see this, how beautiful it is. I think, this can be worn for a wedding too, because it's so grand. It's got that what do you call, the zari finish. It's totally a beautiful sari, and it has got this, the border is also very pretty, and you see the pallu. Like this, and the blouse is complemented with the beautiful tissue blouse. So the whole sari looks like a tissue sari, and the color combination is green with red, and with a beautiful tissue blouse. And these saris are all, it's not very expensive one. So you can WhatsApp me for the price and other details. All right. So these are the saris. Now I showed you the saris with the in silk cotton, the jacquard ones. So if you're interested, please WhatsApp me, or if you can take the screenshot and send it to me, I can give you the other details. Yeah. Thank you so much for patiently watching, and I will come up with another set of variety in the next video. Thank you so much.